Step 1, take out your rice cake. And I use these. Nice squares, healthy, but you can use any rice cake you want. Step 2, melt the chocolate. And I use vegan chips. Step 3, all you do is put a little bit of almond butter on your rice cake. Very little. You don't need a lot. Then you take your chocolate, again, very little, put a little bit on, and then you swirl it around. You might have a different method. And I just spread it out because I like chocolate on every bite, not just in the middle. And that's it. And then you refrigerate them, and within an hour, it's absolutely delicious.